Race Boy and the open racing Race Park Boy Faryad sa Luneta Park Master Maker Precious Chibala. Then followed by One Who Couldn't Lie, Maxon Land Dennis. Then followed by Hidden Eagle, while Divine Power is running in the tail of the field. Out straight they travel. Race Park Boy now in front, leads by some 2.5 lengths. Precious Jewel right behind in second, running along third Luneta Park. Down in fourth Master Maker. Here comes Hidden Eagle. 2 lengths back to Bunnies, One Who Couldn't Love, and long way back to Divine Power. Halfway they travel now. Race Park Boy still in front, leads by and Precious Jewel. Hidden Eagle now Faryad sa Luneta Park Master Maker. Inside the last 600, Hidden Eagle now takes the lead. Leads by some 3 lengths now. Running second, Race Park Boy, Precious Jewel, Luneta Park Master Maker, One Who Couldn't Love, long way back, Divine Power, Benny's as they swing for home. Hidden Eagle by some 4 lengths now, Precious Jewel, Race Park Boy, One Who Couldn't Love, Luneta Park Master Maker, and at the wire, it's Hidden Eagle. Second, close finish. Precious Jewel, Race Park Boy, Luneta Park, Toyota Pekta Master Maker.
Okay, bayang karelista para dito sa inyong race number 1, ang ating pong unofficial winner dito. 7 horse, that's Hidden Eagle. Dito, second choice para sa ating unang karera. Masa segundo, numero 5. Yan po si Precious Jewel, numero 6, Race Park Boy.